In this video lecture, we will look at if statements in Java programming. Decision making is one of the important aspects of computer programming, and Java programming is not an exception. In Java programming, there will be a time where you are needed as a developer to put a case where an option is being given, and the computer is meant to take a decision based on the program reading. In this case, we use some decision-making statements like if statement. Here, you are allowing the computer to choose between a specified option. So if this is met, then this should go. This can only be done when this is in this order. You might get in this confused, what am I saying? Let's go ahead and look at this example just very before us. This is an example of if statement. I created a variable called x, and I assigned a value of 1 to x, and x is an integer value. Now, I come down here and say if x is greater than 20, then you should print out on the screen, this is if statement. If we go ahead and compile this right now and run it, down here you can see this is if statement. Or in a case where I said if x is greater than 1 to 1, go ahead and compile. Nothing is done because x is equal to 1 to 1. Or in a case where I said if x is less than 20, go ahead and run this right now. Nothing is being executed, and this is the place we are having problem. Therefore, we need another type of statement in decision making to take care of this immediately. But if statement is what we just treated in this class alone. Therefore, in the next video lecture, we go ahead and look at how to solve the problem when a condition is not met, what can be done about it, because something must be done for everything to balance. Okay. This is all about if statement in Java programming. I believe you really understood it. That there will be a time when you give the computer a condition whereby it needs to do something at a particular point in time. If you have a question on this particular lecture, please use the question and answer sections, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.